look what I found here. It's somewhere here, I think. Look. A knife from California. What up, guys? Today I am going to take this out. It's the transmission cooler and I don't need it, so I'm going to take it out, and you can see there's already some cooling system inside the normal cooler. It's going out and into the other one, but I'm only going to use this one. So that's today's job. So I am done with, there's a lot of oil. Let me show you. So you can see here I am done. It goes all the way to there. This is the one. So now I have to take this out. But the hard part is done and everything is wired. So ladies and gents, you can see I have removed the oil cooler for the transmission, so now it's looking clean. And now I can also see the VIN number of the car. And again, under the car you can see how it looks. It's looking clean. And that's it for this episode. I know it was really short, but yeah, we gotta work. Small steps, you know. See you soon. Until next time, bye.